honey crackers. Now I'm making honey crackers. We scrunch them, we cuddle them. We say cuddle them and scrunch them. 24 baby patty pans and 6 big ones. Put the blue and the greens and the Paddington Bear. 1/3 of a cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 90 grams of butter. And then we stir it. Can we see it? It smells delicious once it's almost dissolved. When it's dissolved, we add 4 cups of corn flakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I stir it really gently, but make sure the cornflakes don't break. And then you scoop the honey, butter and cornflakes into the party pan. Then I put it in the oven for 10 minutes at 150 degrees. Like cooking in the oven. It's not coming. It's silly little fat.
Use 2 spoons. Use 1 spoon and then you scrape with the other one. Maybe you could show her, Naya.
No. You got it. When we get the sauce tomorrow, we cook this and then you can have some of mine. Hold on to it. Bring it back in. Don't touch the bars. Me love honey crackers. Me chop them. Me cook them. We said me chop them. Me cook them. Because we got gloves. Get your honey. You silly little honey. If you want to watch some of my videos, make sure you press like and subscribe.